What up, Diecast fam? Your boy Big A here. Welcome to another Big A's Diecast showcase. In this video, I'm going to go over the brand new Hot Wheels Ultra Hots Mix 1 for 2024. At number 1, we have this awesome 1966 Pontiac GTO. This one comes in a beautiful Spectral Flame Purple, black interior, no side windows, clear glass on the front and back. It's got cool white afterburner flames on the sides and on the hood. Got the ultra hot wheels, metal base, detailed headlights and tail lights. Very, very nice. At number 2, we have this awesome Triumph TR6. This one comes in an awesome Spectral Flame Gold, detailed headlights and tail lights. Black interior, needless to say this is a convertible. It's got the white hockey stripe on the side and the Hot Wheels Tampo. It's got the white racing stripes on the hood and on the trunk, matching flames around the white stripes. It also has a penciled stripe between the white lines to give it a little bit of separation. It looks very cool in my opinion. Very nice. At number 3, we have this awesome 1971 AMC Javelin. It comes in a Spectral Flame Purple, detailed headlights and tail lights. It's got the white afterburner tampos on the sides and on the hood with a black penciled stripe on the middle to give it a little bit of separation. No side windows, black interior. It's got the chrome ultra hot wheels, metal base. Take a look at the details right here, guys. Very, very nice. At number 4, we have this awesome 1973 BMW 3.0 CSL race car. This one comes in a beautiful Spectral Flame Black. It's got detailed headlights and tail lights. It's got this cool little spoiler. It's got the gold ultra hot wheels. It's got an aqua blue base, matching interior. It's got the Hot Wheels 3.0 Tampo just above the white afterburner flame there. In the hood, it's got the matching afterburner flame. I don't know if the camera captures this or not, but it does have the BMW Tampo. It's very small. It's just above the grille. Very cool. At number 5, we have this awesome Mazda Repu. This one comes in a beautiful Spectral Flame Aqua, detailed headlights and tail lights. It's got the white afterburner tampos with yellow trim. It also has the black pencil stripe just above it. It also has the gold Hot Wheels Tampo. Chrome ultra hot wheels, chrome base, black interior. It looks like the bed and the interior is all one piece, as well as this black cutout there. Very nice. Definitely my favorite out of the set. So let's move on to number 6. So here we go, guys. We have the 80s Pontiac Firebird. Comes in a beautiful Spectral Flame Red, detailed headlights and tail lights. It's got the honey mustard interior, T-tops, and of course it's got the afterburner flames along the side, the gold ultra hot wheels, metal base, no details on the front, but it does have the cool Firebird Tampo just above the afterburner Tampo. Take a look at the back, guys. Very, very nice. At number 7, we have this awesome 1981 Fairmont. This one comes in a dark teal Spectral Flame, detailed headlights and tail lights. Got the white afterburner tampos on the sides. It's got the matching white afterburner with orange trim on the hood as well, with an orange stripe across the middle. And it also has the Goodyear tampos just above the fender on both sides of the hood. Let's take a look at the top here, guys. As you can see, it's got the large 81 and ultra hot tampos. Number 81, of course, represents the year of the vehicle. It's got the chrome ultra hot wheels, metal base. Not my favorite casting, but I do collect these, so I had to get it. And last but not least, guys, we have this awesome Volkswagen Käfer Racer. This one comes in a Spectral Flame Gold. It's got the detailed headlights and tail lights. It's got the afterburner tampos around the fender and on the top. It's got the gold ultra hot wheels, black base. It's got the dual exhaust pipes. It's got the white Hot Wheels Tampo on top of the wing. Very, very cool. So that is it, guys. Let me know which of the 8 cars I showed you is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, you guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. Deuces.